Okay, I just finished this unmolding and I'm gonna unmold this. So let me change my camera angle so y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna do this. Get these out of the way. Still up with that. All right, so here we are. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna start from the top where we actually started, and we're just gonna lay these out one by one. Oh, I was like, why is there nothing on there? Because that's 0. Okay. This is my second set. If you remember the first video, it looked a little different. Oh, that's where I stopped. Okay, so I'm gonna end up dripping it in them after, like try to do like a gold flake mix for the actual dots to see how those come out, because this wasn't working for me. So I'm probably gonna put these in something else and remake those. What is that, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, I'll just remake those 5 so it makes sense for the set. And just drip those. And then these last 3, oh, actually that looks really good. That one was a combo. This one is a combination of the 2, and this is the first one that's like fully white. Okay, so the fully white one doesn't look as white as I thought it would, which is good because I didn't want it to be like just plain white. But I'm pleased with that. So yeah, I'm gonna redo, oh, that's the wrong end. Yeah, I'm gonna redo these and these, but actually I'm gonna do a whole set for these. So I'm gonna redo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these to match this set, and then I'm gonna redo this whole thing to match these 2. So yeah, we'll just stay tuned for that. Don't know when, don't hold your breath. Thank you for watching, and just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this unmolding. Bye.